Okay, so we have installed Rapid Reviews, and then we are going to make the assumption that we do not have a Shopify 2.0 enabled theme. And that means that we have app blocks available in the customize section for the theme. So we are going to do a manual installation of the reviews and questions widget. And so the first thing we do is read the manual, as they said. And here we are. So we have, in order to install some of the widgets, the three main widgets, which would be the reviews and questions, media gallery, or star rating badge, we have to install some core scripts and data definitions. And all we need to do here is copy paste. So we copy this, and then we will go to our theme and we'll edit the code. And so we always want to work on a theme copy. We never work on a live theme. It doesn't matter what we're doing, how small the change. We always work on a theme copy, get that theme copy to where we like it, and then we publish the theme copy after we are happy with the changes that we made. And the reason that we do this is because we always make mistakes. I write code every day. I make mistakes every day almost. And I put in place workflows and processes to mitigate the cost of those mistakes. So I have automated testing, I have version control systems. My workflow is obviously a little bit more advanced, but in a simple Shopify case, we just make a theme copy, play around on it, get it to where we like it, and then we publish that theme copy. So we're going to go in here and we're going to edit the code of our theme. And so in this case, this theme is actually 2.0 enabled. This is my demo store. So we're just going to say that this theme is not enabled for 2.0 app blocks, and we're going to do it manually. So we see templates product.json. So .json after the template means it's 2.0 enabled. .liquid means that it's not 2.0 enabled. And so in this case, it is 2.0 enabled. We'll just pretend it's not. And so inside of if it was product.liquid, we would have, in this case, a section, product-template, and we found that in sections, product-template. And this is not the same for all themes. This just happens to be this theme. This is where all the code is for this product page. And so here we're going to scroll to the bottom. We want to install everything after all the main container. This is the main div, and this is where it ends. And this is some section code we don't need to worry about. So here we're going to install the Rapid Reviews widgets. So we have our copied code from the docs, and then we just paste it in. And you can see here, there's no div tags, there's no markup. This is all JavaScript. And so we don't even need to worry. We just paste it in here. It's required, and we're almost ready to go. And this is the first step. So then we're going to go back to our docs, and then we're in the manual installation section, core, liquid, and scripts. And here we have widgets. So we want to pick the one that we want. So in this case, we're going to do reviews and questions widget. So we're going to click on reviews and questions, and then we have extra simple. So we're going to do the first step here, the first option, which is just a simple div tag. And we can also configure it to show in a tiled layout. And that's what we see here, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're just going to take this top tag, copy it. We're going to go back to our code. We're going to paste it above our script tag. We're going to save it. And then we're going to preview it. And that means that we are done. So, we click preview. We go over, we go to our product page. And then you can see here is our reviews and questions widget. And it all works and it's ready to go. And so after we preview it, then we will publish our theme live, and then we're moving. We're done.